Are you starting a side hustle? Amazing. But wait, before you dive in, let me save you from the biggest mistake that caused most side hustlers to fail. If you want real success, real income, and real freedom, you need to hear this because trust me, these mistakes can kill your side hustle before it even starts. Hi, I'm Meena Karmakar, a self-growth coach. I'm helping working professionals like you who wants to turn their unique skill into a profitable side hustle. I can help you in launching your own online digital products, and I don't want you to fail into these common traps. So stay with me till the end and I will tell you exactly how to avoid these pitfalls so you can build a thriving side hustle without wasting months or even years. Now, the mistake number one. Most of the side hustlers try to do everything at once. Starting a YouTube channel, write a blog, they do the freelancing, they launch the digital product, online courses, all at once. Big mistake. Why is this a problem? Because you spread yourself too thin, making little progress on everything. Burnout is real. You will lose motivation fast. No clarity, no result. Without focus, it's hard to gain momentum. Instead, what you can do, pick one side hustle that matches your skill, passion, and available time. Master one skill and monetize before adding another. Because focal is equal to faster success. Now, let me tell you the mistake number two. Now, in most of the time, what the side hustlers do, quitting too soon. I posted 5 times, but I'm not making money yet. I should quit. Big mistake. Why is this a problem? Because most successful side hustler took months or even years before seeing real income. Growth takes time, whether it is freelancing, content creation, or digital products. Your first attempt won't be perfect, but remember, consistency beat perfection. What to do then? Better to set realistic expectations. It's slow at first, then snowballs. Stick to a plan for at least 6 months before making major changes. Also, track progress, not just money, but skills, audience, growth, and lead. Everything. Now, what is a mistake number three? Not setting boundaries. I will just work on my free time. Most of the side hustler do. When I will get time, I will do work. When I am free. Big mistake. Why this is a problem? Because there is no structure. When there is no structure, no progress. Random work leads to random results. Also, work-life imbalance. You risk burnout or hurting relationships even. Your job and side hustle will suffer even if you don't manage time wisely. Then what to do instead? Please do time block. Time block side hustle hours into your daily schedule. Say no to distractions. Turn off your Netflix and unnecessary scrolling. Set clear boundaries. Let your family and friends know your dedicated hustle time. Discipline creates freedom. So, are you struggling with time management? Comment time below and I will share you my top hacks. Now that you know that these are the top 3 mistakes to avoid, it's time to take action. Which mistake have you struggled with the most? Comment below. I would love to help you. If you want a step-by-step plan to grow your side hustle, grab my 6-step free guide which is in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more side hustle tips every week. Thank you. Bye bye till next week.